Hi there. Today we'll talk about app sound. A and P together give us app. Like in app, map. App, cap. App, gap. App, nap. App, tap. App, clap. Now let's read them again. Map, cap, gap, nap. Now try to read the following words. Yes, great. It's flap, flap. Very good. It's snap, snap. Yes, super. It's lap, lap. Exactly. It's wrap, wrap. Yes, great. It's trap, trap. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video to learn a new sound.